Good morning. Today we will see fuzzy operations. Already we have seen one fuzzy operation in last lecture, that is inclusion. Again, I will revise it. There are 5 fuzzy operations: inclusion, equality, complement, union, and intersection. Therefore, fuzzy operations means fuzzy set operations are the operations on fuzzy sets. The fuzzy set operations are generalization of crisp set operations. Zadeh in 1965 formulated the fuzzy set theory in terms of standard operations: complement, union, intersection, and difference. In this section, the graphical interpretation of the following standard fuzzy set terms and the fuzzy logic operations are illustrated. Now, inclusion. Inclusion means what? Here, this statement is there: fuzzy include into bracket very small comma small. Equality, fuzzy equality into bracket small comma still small. Complement, fuzzy not small is equal to fuzzy complement small. Complement means opposite. Complement means opposite. Equality means equal. Inclusion means we have to include. Union, fuzzy union is equal to small union of medium. Union means combining the things. That is nothing but union. Intersection, fuzzy intersection is equal to small intersection medium. Means into what is the meaning of intersection? We have to combine the common elements or common quantities. That is known as intersection. Therefore, now we will see inclusion. Let A and B be fuzzy sets defined in the same universal space X. The fuzzy set A is included in the fuzzy set B if and only if for every x in set X we have A of X is less than equal to B of X. Example, the fuzzy set universal space numbers defined in the universal space X is equal to this xi, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is presented as set option of fuzzy set comma universal space 1, 12, 1. The fuzzy set B small, the set small in set X is small is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.9, 4.6, 5.4, 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0. Therefore, set small is represented as set small is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.9, 4.6, 5.0, 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0, comma, universal space 1, 12, 1. Therefore, this is nothing but set small. Therefore, the fuzzy set A very small. Now, what we have to do? We have to include set A in that small set. That is nothing but very small. The set very small in set X is very small is equal to fuzzy set 1, 1, 2.8, 3.7, 4.0, 5.2, 6.1, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0. Therefore, set very small is represented as set very small is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 1, 2.8, 3.7, 4.4, 5.2, 6.1, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0, comma, universal space 1, 12, 1. Therefore, the fuzzy operation inclusion, that is include very small comma small, it is include is the set of very small and small. Now we have to represent these things graphically. Therefore, on y-axis, these membership grades are there, that is 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.81. And on x-axis, these different values are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. That is nothing but universal space X. Now, small. First of all, we have to represent all the elements as a small. Therefore, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.9, 4.6, 5. It may be 0.4 or 0.5. 6 is 0.4. 7 is 0.2. 8 is 0.1. 9, 10, 11, 12, 0. This is small. Now we have to indicate very small. Now very small. 1, 1. See that 1, 1. 2.8. This is 2 and this is 0.8. Therefore, another point already. 3.7. 3 and here 0.7 we have to locate like this. 4.4. Therefore, 4 and this is 0.4. 5.2. 5.2. 6.1. Like this. 70, 80, 90, 10, 11, 12. Therefore, this is nothing but a graphical representation of fuzzy inclusion, or it is known as fuzzy plot of small, comma, very small. Now, comparability. Two fuzzy sets A and B are comparable. Comparable means what? We have to compare the two sets A and B. If the condition A is subset of B or B is subset of A holds, that is, if one of the fuzzy sets is a subset of the other set, they are comparable. Two fuzzy sets A and B are incomparable if the condition A is not subset of B or B is not subset of A holds. Therefore, example, we will see example. Let set A is consist of A1, B1, C0 and set B consists of A1, B1, C1. Then A is comparable to B since A is a subset of B. Since A is a subset of B. Example 2. Why A is a subset of B? Because whatever two elements are there, A1 and B1, that are there in the set A. Therefore, A is a subset of B. Or B is a subset of A. You can write like that also. Because whatever A1, B1 elements are there from set A, same elements are there in the set B. Now, example 2. Set C is equal to, it is a set of A1, B1, C.5 and set D is equal to, it is a set of A1, B.9, C.6. Now, C and D are not comparable since C is not subset of D and D is not subset of C. Property related to inclusion. For all X in the set X, for all small x in the set capital X, if A of X, small x, is a subset of B of X. Now, next property, equality. Equality means equal. Let A and B be fuzzy sets defined in the same space X. Then A and B are equal, which is denoted X is equal to Y. If and only if for all X in the set X, AX is equal to BX. Example, the fuzzy set B small is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.9, 4.6, 5.4, 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0. Therefore, the fuzzy set A still small is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.9, 4.6, 5.4, 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0. This is known as still small set. Therefore, now this small set and still small set, they are equal. That's why the fuzzy operation is known as equality. If you will see the elements in the small set and very small, that is still small set, all the elements are same. Therefore, this small set is equal to still small. That's why it is written equality of small comma still small. Membership grade is represented on y-axis. Universal space X is represented on x-axis. It consists of different elements from 1 to 12. membership grade it is from 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.81. Therefore, you just see same things are there 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.9, 4.6, 5.4, 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 0. Therefore, this is the small and still small set. Since these are equal, therefore it is known as equality. If equality Ax is equal to Bx is not satisfied, even for one element x in the set capital X, then we say that A is not equal to B. That is, if whatever this 2, 1, that element is not there in this still small set, then we can say that small is not equal to still small, because whatever elements are there in the small set, all the elements should present in the still small set. Then and then we can say that equality is there. Now complement. Complement means what? Opposite. Always remember. Let A be a fuzzy set defined in the space X. Then the fuzzy set B is a complement of the fuzzy set A. If and only if for all X in the set X, Bx is equal to 1 minus A of X. The complement of the fuzzy set A is often denoted by A dash or AC or A bar. Fuzzy complement ACX is equal to 1 minus AX. Now example 1. The fuzzy set A small is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.9, 4.6, 5.4, 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0. Therefore, the fuzzy set AC not small, not small, because it is complement. Complement means opposite. What is opposite of the small? Not small, or opposite of the small is big. Therefore, not small is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 0, 2, 0, 3.1, 4.4, 5.6, 6.7, 7.8, 8.9, 9.1, 10.1, 11.1, 12.1. Therefore, the fuzzy operation complement not small is equal to complement of small, because opposite to the 1 they have taken as 0, opposite to the 0.9 they have taken as 0.1. Means addition of these two, if you check 0.9 plus 0.1 is equal to 1. 0.6 plus 0.4 is equal to 1. 0.4 is equal plus 0.6 is equal to 1. 0.3 plus 0.7 is equal to 1. Therefore, they have considered that membership grade, their addition should be equal to 1. Therefore, the fuzzy operation complement not small is equal to complement of small. Therefore, this is the graphical representation of this small and not small. On y-axis membership grades are there, that is 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, then 1, and on x-axis universal space x is there, that is elements from 1, 2, 3 up to 12. Now example 2. Let the empty set phi and the universal set x as fuzzy sets are complements of one another. Therefore, phi dash is equal to x, or x dash is equal to phi. The fuzzy set B empty is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, because for empty we have considered it as element 0. That is membership grade, we have considered it as 0 for empty set. Then the fuzzy set A universal space X, that is universal is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, 10, 1, 11, 1, and 12, 1. The fuzzy operation complement is equal complement. Therefore, empty is equal to complement of universal space. Therefore, whatever these all the elements are having 0 membership grade for empty set, and all the elements are having empty that is membership grade as 1 for universal space. From this graphical representation you are understanding. Now next operation is union. Union means combining the things. Let A and B be fuzzy sets defined in the space X. The union is defined as the smallest fuzzy set that contains both A and B. The union of A and B is denoted by A union B. The following relation must be satisfied for the union operation. For all small x in the set of capital X, A union B of X is equal to maximum of AX BX. Therefore, fuzzy union is equal to A union B of X is equal to maximum of AX BX for all X belongs to capital X. Example 1, union of fuzzy A and B, that is A of X is equal to 0.6 and B of X is equal to 0.4. Therefore, A union B of X is equal to maximum of 0.6, 0.4. What is the maximum value? That is 0.6. Now, example 2, union of small and medium. The fuzzy set A, small, that is small is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.9, 4.6, 5.4, 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0. The fuzzy set B medium, medium is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4.2, 5.5, 6.8, 7.1, 8.1, 9.7, 10.4, 11.1, 12, 0. Therefore, these are the membership grades for small set and medium set. Therefore, the fuzzy operation union. Now we have to union means we have to mix it, or we have to combine it. Therefore, fuzzy union is equal to small union of medium. Therefore, set small union medium is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.9, 4.6, 5.5, 6.8, 7.1, 9.7, 10.4, 11.1 and 12.0. Therefore, nothing but universal space, comma universal space of 1, 12, 1, bracket complete. Therefore, membership grade y-axis again 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and on x-axis universal space X is there. The notion of the union is closely related to that of the connective or. Let A is a class of young men, B is a class of bald men. If David is young or David is bald, then David is associated with the union of A and B, implies David is a member of A union of B. Now, intersection. Let A and B be fuzzy sets defined in the space X. Intersection is defined as the greatest fuzzy set that include both A and B. Intersection of A and B is denoted by A intersection B. The following relation must be satisfied for the interaction operation, that is for all X in the set capital X. A intersection B of small x is equal to minimum of AX comma BX. Then fuzzy intersection A intersection of B of X is equal to minimum of A of X, B of X for all X belongs to capital X. Now next example 1, intersection of fuzzy sets A and B, that A of X is equal to 0.6, B of X is equal to 0.4. Therefore, A intersection of B of X is equal to minimum of 0.6, 0.4, which is nothing but 0.4. Now, union of small and medium. Sorry, this is intersection. Here intersection word should be there. The fuzzy set A small. Small is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.9, 4.6, 5.4, 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0. The fuzzy set B medium is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, sorry, 4.2, 5.5, 6.8, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9.7, 10, 11, 12. Therefore, The fuzzy set B medium is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4.2, 5.5, 6.8, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9.7, 10.4, 11.1, 12, 0. Therefore, the fuzzy operation intersection. Now we have to mix, we have to intersect these two sets and we have to take common elements only. Yeah? Therefore, fuzzy intersection is equal to minimum of, how do you it? Minimum of small intersection of medium. Therefore, set small intersection medium is equal to fuzzy set of, this is the minimum value 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4.2, 5.4. Minimum value we have to take 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0, comma universal space is equal to again 1, 12, 1. This is the graphical representation. See that 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4.2, 5.4, 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is nothing but 0. Now next operation is difference. Difference means subtraction. Let A and B be fuzzy sets defined in the space X. The difference of A and B is denoted by A intersection B. Fuzzy difference A minus B of X is equal to minimum of AX, 1 minus BX. For all X belongs to capital X. For all values of small x, it belongs to capital X. Example, difference of medium and small. The fuzzy set A for medium is equal to fuzzy set of 1.1, 2.20, sorry, 10, 20, 30, 40, 4.2, 5.5, 6.8, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9.9.7, then 10.4, 11, 0, 12, 0. Now fuzzy complement is equal to BC of X is equal to 1 minus BC of X. Therefore, the fuzzy set BC not small. Therefore, not small is equal to fuzzy set of 10, 20, 3.1, 4.4, 5.6, 6.7, 7.8, then 8.9, 9, 1, 10, 1, 11, 1, 12, 1, etc. Now, the fuzzy operation difference by the definition of difference. Fuzzy difference is equal to platform. Fuzzy difference is equal to medium intersection of small. Therefore, set medium difference small is equal to fuzzy set of 10, 20, 30, 4.2, 5.5, 6.7, 8.4, 9.7, 10.4, 11.11, and 11.1, 12, 0. Comma universal space 1, 12, 1. Therefore, these are represented graphically like this. Now, fuzzy properties. Properties related to union, intersection, differences are illustrated below. Therefore, properties related to union. The properties related to union are identity, idempotency, communality, commutatively, and associatively. Therefore, fuzzy properties. Properties related to union, intersection, differences are illustrated below. Therefore, properties related to union. The properties related to union are identity, idempotence, commutativity, and associativity. If identity is equal to A union of phi is equal to A, that is input is equal to equality of small union of empty comma small. Output is equal to true. Therefore, A union of X is equal to X. Therefore, input is equal to again equality. It is a set of equality small union of universal space comma universal space. Output is equal to true. Now, idempotence. A union of A is equal to A. That is input is equal to output into bracket small union small comma small. Output is equal to true. Then commutativity. A union of B is equal to B union of A. Therefore, input is equal to equality. Output is equal to true. Therefore, these are the some properties of fuzzy. Now, associativity. A union of B union C is equal to A union B of union C. Therefore, input small is equal to, or input is equal to equality into bracket small, medium, small union of medium union of B, comma, small union of medium union of B. Output is equal to true. Fuzzy set small, medium, small is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.9, 4.6, 5.4, 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9.7, 10.4, 11, 0, 12, 0. Now you have to compare these two elements, that is fuzzy set and that universal space. And you have to take out the elements that is which are associated with each other. Therefore, medium is equal to fuzzy set of 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4.2, 5.5, 6.8, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 0, 10, 0, 11.1, 12, 0. Therefore, big is equal to, that is small, medium, big. Fuzzy set of 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6.1, 7.2, 8.4, 9.6, 10.8, 11, 1, 12, 1. Therefore, calculate fuzzy relations. One minute. Therefore, calculate fuzzy relations. Fuzzy set 3, 4 proves associativity relations. This is not there. We'll skip this. Now, properties related to intersection. Absorption, identity, idiom, potence, commutativity, associativity. The absorption by empty set. A intersection of phi, that is empty set, is equal to phi. That is input is equal to equality of small intersection of empty, comma empty. Output is equal to true. Now, next is identity. A intersection of X is equal to A. Therefore, input is equal to equality into bracket small intersection of universal space, comma small. Output is equal to true. Idempotence A intersection of A is equal to A. That is input is equal to equality small intersection of small, comma small. Output is equal to true. Commutativity A intersection of B is equal to B intersection of A. That therefore input is equal to equality of small intersection of big, comma big intersection of small. Output is equal to true. Associativity A intersection of B intersection of C, which is equal to A intersection of B intersection of C. Input is equal to equality of small intersection of medium intersection of big, comma small intersection of medium intersection big, or output is equal to true. Now, additional properties related to intersection and union. Distributivity. A intersection of B union C is equal to A intersection of B union of A intersection of C. These rules you may have studied in 12th standard. Therefore, input is equal to equality of small intersection of medium of union B. comma, small intersection of medium, union of small intersection of big. Distributivity, A intersection of A union of B intersection of C is equal to A union of B intersection of A union of C. Therefore, input is equal to equality, which is equal to small union of medium intersection of big, comma, small union of medium intersection of small union of big. Output is equal to true. Now, law of excluded middle. A union of A dash or A complement is equal to X. That is, input is equal to equality, small union of not small, comma, universal space. Output is equal to true. Now, law of contradiction. A intersection of A dash, which is equal to phi. Therefore, input is equal to equality into bracket, small intersection of not small, comma, empty space. Output is equal to true. Now, we are going to see this fuzzy systems. Up till now, all the basic things were studied. What are fuzzy systems? Fuzzy systems include fuzzy logic and fuzzy set theory. Knowledge exists in two distinct forms. The objective knowledge that exists in mathematical form is used in the engineering problems. And second, the subjective knowledge that exists in linguistic form, usually impossible to quantify. Fuzzy logic can coordinate these two forms of knowledge in a logical way. Fuzzy systems can handle simultaneously the numerical data and linguistic knowledge. Fuzzy systems provide opportunities for modeling of conditions which are inherently imprecisely defined. Many real-world problems have been simulated, and replicated with the help of fuzzy systems. The applications of fuzzy systems are mainly like information retrieval systems, navigation system, and robot system. Expert systems design have become easy because their domains are inherently fuzzy and can now be handled better. Examples: decision support systems, financial planners, diagnostic system, and meteorological system. Now, introduction. Any system that uses fuzzy mathematics may be viewed as fuzzy system. The fuzzy set theory, membership function, operations, properties, and the relations have been described in previous lectures. These are the prerequisites for understanding fuzzy system. The applications of fuzzy set theory is fuzzy logic, which is covered in this section. Therefore, the applications of fuzzy set theory is fuzzy logic, which is covered in this section. Therefore, here the emphasis is on the design of fuzzy system and fuzzy controller in a closed loop. The specific topics of interest are fuzzification of input information, fuzzy interferencing using fuzzy sets, then fuzzy of de-optimization of materials from the from the reasoning process, and fuzzy controller in a closed loop. Fuzzy inferencing is the core constituent of fuzzy system. A block schematic of fuzzy system is shown in the next slide. Fuzzy inferencing makes or combines the interests of fuzzy inferencing is the core constituent of a fuzzy system. A block schematic of fuzzy system is shown in the next slide. Fuzzy inferencing combines the facts obtained from the fuzzification and the fuzzy rule base and conducts the fuzzy theory processes. Now, this is the fuzzy system. See that here input variables x1, x2, x3, dot, 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 xn. It is when you will provide input, that process is known as fuzzification. Then membership function is there. It is attached to all the three elements, that is fuzzification, fuzzy inferencing, then defuzzification, then fuzzy rare module, rule base, sorry. Fuzzy rule base is given to the fuzzy inferencing. And these membership functions or these membership grades are given to all these three steps, that is fuzzification, fuzzy inferencing, and defuzzification. Output variables are y1, y2, y3, ym. Therefore, fuzzy system elements, input vector x is equal to x1, x2, xn. It is complement, or it is known as transpose, are crisp values which are transformed into fuzzy sets in the fuzzification block. Output vector y is equal to y1, y2, y4 is equal to y7. Sorry, y1, y2, y5, ym transpose comes out from the defuzzification block, which transforms an output fuzzy set back to a crisp value. In fuzzification, it is a process of transforming crisp values into grades of membership for linguistic terms, far, near, small, of fuzzy sets. Then fuzzy rule base. It is a collection of propositions containing linguistic databases or linguistic variables. The rules are expressed in the form of if x is equal to a and b is equal to y, then z is c, where x, y, and z represent variables and therefore membership function, it provides a measure of the degree of similarity of elements in the universe of discourse U to fuzzy set. Fuzzy inferencing combines the facts obtained from the fuzzification with the rule base and conducts the fuzzy reasoning process. Defuzzification, it translates results back to the real world values. Now fuzzy logic, a simple form of logic is called two-valued logic, is the study of truth values and logic circuits. Here the possible values are true as 1 and false as 0. The simple two-valued logic is generalized and called fuzzy logic, which treats truth as a continuous quantity ranging from 0 to 1. Now definition, fuzzy logic or FL is derived from fuzzy set theory, dealing with reasoning that is approximate rather than precisely deduced from classical two-valued logic. Therefore, FL is the application of fuzzy set theory. FL allows set membership values to range, that is inclusively between 0 and 1. FL is capable of handling inherently precise concepts. FL allows in linguistic form the set membership values to imprecise concepts like slightly, quite, and very. Now classical logic. Classical logic. Logic is used to represent simple facts. Logic defines the ways of putting symbols together to form sentences that represent facts. Sentences are either true or false, but not both are called propositions. For example, sentence green, grass is green, therefore truth value true. Is it a proposition? Yes. Then 2 plus 5 is equal to 5. Truth value, it is false, therefore is it a proposition? No, sorry, yes. Now close the door, truth value 0, then its proposition is no. Is it hideout? outside. Don't know, therefore again here no proposition. Again, is it hot outside? No. X is greater than 2, which is there. Therefore, x is equal to x. Is truth value is no, nil. And is it a proposition? No. Therefore, don't know what is x and equal to mean 3 equal to 3, or say air is equal to air, or water is equal to water, has no meaning. Now, propositional logic, PL. A proposition is a statement which in English is a declarative sentence, and logic defines the ways of putting symbols together to form sentences that represent facts. Every proposition is either true or false. Propositional logic is also called Boolean algebra. Examples: the sky is blue, second snow is cold, and 12 into 12 is equal to 144. Therefore, propositional logic, it is a fundamental to all logic. Propositions are sentences either true or false, but not both. A sentence is smallest unit in propositional logic. If proposition is true, then truth value is true, else false. So for example, sentence grass is green, therefore that is nothing but true. Then proposition S. Now statement, variables and symbols. Statement, variables and symbols. Statement, a simple statement is one that does not contain any other statement as a part. A compound statement is one that has two or more simple statements as part, called components. Operator or connective joins simple statements into compounds and joins compounds into larger compounds. Now, symbols for connectives. Assertion, P is true. Negation means complement of P, nearly equal to or externally not, P is false. Conjunction, P conjunction of P, Q, and both P and Q are true. Disjunction, P disjunction of Q, or P or Q is there. Either P is true or Q is true, or both. Implication, P implies Q. Therefore, if P is true, then Q is true. P implies Q. This is known as P implies. Now equivalence. Equivalence means equal to. If and only if P and Q are either both true or both false. Now truth value. The truth value of a statement is its truth or falsity. P is either true or false. Complement of P is either true or false. Then P or Q is either true or false, and so on. Then T or 1 means true, and F or 0 means false. Therefore, truth table is a convenient way of showing relationship between several propositions. The truth table for negation, conjunction, disjunction, implication, and equivalence are shown below. Now here PQ is there. In P, T, true, true, false, false. In Q, true, false, true, false. Now complement of P, J means opposite to P. Here true, here false. Here true, false. False, true, false, true. Complement of Q, true, false, false, true, true, false, false, true. Complement means opposite, always remember. Now P conjunction of Q, P conjunction Q, P conjunction Q. Therefore T, TFF, FTF, FFF. Then P disjunction of Q, TTT, TFT, FTT, FFF. Now P implies Q means what? T, here F, T, and here T. Then P and Q both implies each other, or they are equal. P is equal to Q. This sign is equal to. Therefore, true, false, false, true. Then Q implies P. True, true, false, true. Now fuzzy logic. Fuzzification or fuzzy logic, like the extension of crisp set theory to fuzzy set theory. The extension of crisp logic is made by replacing the bivalent membership functions of the crisp logic with the fuzzy membership functions. In crisp logic, the truth value acquired by the proposition are two-valued, namely true as 1 and false as 0. In fuzzy logic, the truth values are multi-valued as absolute true, partially true, absolute false, etc., represented numerically as real value between 0 to 1. Note, the fuzzy variables in fuzzy sets, fuzzy propositions, fuzzy relations, etc., are represented usually using symbol nearly equal to or as P nearly equal to, but for the purpose easy to write, it is represented as capital P. Now fuzzification. The fuzzification is a process of transforming crisp values into grades of membership for linguistic terms of fuzzy sets. The purpose is to allow fuzzy condition in a rule to be interpreted. Therefore, fuzzification of the car speed, example, speed x naught is equal to 70 km per hour. Figure below shows the fuzzification of the car speed to characterize a low and medium speed set, medium speed fuzzy set. See that this speed of the car is 70 km per hour. Now what is low? Given car speed value x naught is equal to 70 km per hour, grade mu a of x naught is equal to 0.75. This is 0.75 mu a of x naught belongs to fuzzy low, and grade mu b of x naught is equal to 0.25 belongs to fuzzy medium. Therefore, characterizing two grades, low and medium speed fuzzy set. Similarly, speed x naught is equal to 40 km per hour. Given car speed value x naught is equal to 40 km per hour, grade mu a of x naught is equal to 0.6. Therefore, this from this 0.6 line we have to project horizontal line wherever it will intersect low, that line from the low. Therefore, belongs to fuzzy low, and grade mu b of x naught is equal to 0.4 belongs to fuzzy medium. Therefore, characterizing 5 grades: very low, low, medium, high, very high speed fuzzy set. Now defuzzification. In many situations for a system whose output is fuzzy, it is easier to make a crisp decision if the output is represented as a single quantity. This conversion of a single crisp value is called defuzzification. Defuzzification is the reverse process of fuzzification. The typical defuzzification methods are centroid method, center of sums, mean of maxima. The centroid method we will see. It is also known as the center of gravity of area method. It obtains the center of area x star occupied by the fuzzy set. For a discrete membership function, it is given by x star is equal to summation of 1 to n xi of mu xi divided by summation of 1 to n mu xi, where n represents the number of elements in the sample and xi are the elements and mu xi is the membership function. Therefore, this is known as defuzzification. Therefore, today we will stop here. Let me take your attendance.